Here I have an epic 2-in-1 solution for anyone that works at home or at the office. It's an ergonomic toolbox that lets you neatly store items inside, but it also doubles up as a tablet, notebook or laptop stand. It's a very practical and beneficial product by Dataflex. Check it out. When you first open the box, you'll find a label that you can use to stick your name on, and it just sits here. You'll also find the support ledge, which is what holds your notebook or device. It's a magnetic snap-on and takes a second to fit. That's all you need to get started with it. The cover is tiltable and has 4 ergonomic settings, so you can adjust it to whatever height suits you and helps make working a comfortable experience. Pretty cool, huh? But what makes this Bento toolbox even more awesome is the fact that it allows you to store items that you normally have scattered around your desk. I'm a clean freak and I can't deal with mess, so this is just so beneficial. This rubber grip is removable, by the way, if you wanted to take it out, but anyway, it's got a decent amount of space to hold your cables, external hard drive, your notepad, your pens, etc. What makes it even more ideal is not only do you get a neat and tidy setup, but you can still access the items in the box without having to remove your laptop thanks to the tilted cover. This has been really beneficial for me, and I've been using it ever since I got it for when I'm working from home or working on my own stuff. It's so ideal, and I don't think I could ever go back to having my laptop sit on the desk. It's awesome and clever, I love it. Do you?